Hey guys, welcome back to Darby Girls. I'm Maddie. Today I got a really cool product for you from Bonitronic. It's called Chameleon Blocks. And today we're gonna open it up and show you what it's all about. So what they sent me is a main unit and additional lighting blocks, and they have a white and 2 pinks. These are the first smart lighting blocks that come with 7 lighting modes and 30 different changing colors. So let's open the main unit and see what's inside. Ooh, this is cool. Awesome! One thing I noticed is the packaging on this is really nice. Okay, and here's the charging cable. Here's the 3M tape to stick it on the wall. And here's a set of instructions. So on the bottom, you can charge it. It just sticks right on. And then you can plug this into one of those wall things. And you can see right here, they have an on and an off switch. So on the main unit, it says auto, on, mode, and off. And these little triangles can come apart and you can make your own little shape. All of these can move. So these connect to these little magnetic pins. So now I'm gonna open up the rest of these lighting blocks. Okay. So they included some 3M tape. Whoa. Okay, let's put it with the others. Pink, whites. So let's open our white one. Okay, so here's the tape. Here's all of them. So let's open our last one. This one's a little different because it has a mode button. Here's the charger. Here's all of them. And here's the tape. Okay, let's turn this on and tell you what it does. Okay, so when you connect one to it, you can press on it and it can change colors. Whoa! They have purple, they have orange, they have yellow and green. They're the same color. So if you want to change the colors, you just do this. And it changes colors. I'm gonna leave it green. I'll leave this one green. I'm leaving that one white. Blue. Pink. Red. Okay. So let's see what cool designs we can do in the dark. So I'm going to show you all the modes. So how you turn it on is you just press the on button and you press mode. So the first mode is the breathing mode because it's just so relaxing because all the colors go so slow. The next mode is the A-B switching mode. It blinks on and off, on and off. So that one turns on, then those turn off, those turn on, that turns off. The next mode is the DJ mode. It turns all different colors and it blinks so fast it just makes me want to dance. So this is the DIY mode. You can make your own design. So fun. So the next mode is the whack-a-mole. It's like a fun little game that you have to play. Like, you have to try to get the colors really fast until they go away. If you get it, it turns rainbow. It's really tricky because they like to disappear. If you want to get this awesome product, we will leave the links down below. Just remember to use our discount code. It's going to save you 42%. Thank you again, Bonitronic. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post another video.